Well, g'day, welcome back to the channel. My name's Ryan, I'm here with my new buddy Carlos, and we're back at Gould Lake today to try and find my drone for a 5th attempt. I'll show you the rig and we'll get set up into the water here and see if we can find something. All right, we are now heading for the water to launch the underwater drone, which I'll show you in a minute here. Actually has a grappling arm on it. So if we can find my Mavic Mini drone, we may actually be able to grab a hold of it and bring it up to the surface. How freaking cool would that be? So this is Carlos' FIFISH underwater drone, and as you can see, it has a grappling arm on it, which looks more than ample to grab my little Mini, which is about 1/10 the size of this drone. So we will see. I've given Carlos an approximate location of where the drone sank, and boy, I can't think of another option that would have better odds of getting this thing back up to the surface. So we'll see what happens. Wish us luck. So Carlos is just set up and commissioned the drone, and he's got a controller here that he can see on his phone. Heyo, what's happening, as well as a tablet over here. So I can help spot as well. You can see there as he's moving the drone. So this is a 4K camera, so boy, again, this will be our best shot. Oh, and some high-powered LED lights there as well, which is certainly going to be a necessary.
Good for 300 feet.
300 feet, this thing, wow, unreal. Well, thank you again so much for coming all the way out here with me to take a shot at rescuing my drone.
Yeah, should be fun.
It's this or diving myself, or diving with Carlos or someone to try and find it, but this would be super cool. Hello, hello. That's awesome. Wow, I cannot wait to see this thing. All right, we're gonna get this thing wet and see if we can spot anything down there. So you've got your depth readout here. Hard to see.
There's bottom. That's 18 feet deep right now.
Holy cow. Straight out there is 18 feet?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Have you come across any fish as you have used one of these?
Yes.
That's awesome.
When I did the wolf boundary, I came across a great big sheephead.
A big sheephead. Oh wow. There's an ugly fish to come face to face with, eh?
Yeah.
I are beautiful.
Oh wow. Look at the detail on the bottom. Holy crow. You see that straight ahead, 12 o'clock? No, turn to your about 11 o'clock. To your left, there's something sticking out of the weeds straight ahead.
Okay.
Almost looks gray. Holy shit. That almost looks gray too, you know that?
Okay, I'll go straight.
So straight ahead, it's a little bit bare right, just a tiny bit.
Up.
And, okay, it might just be some... Okay, turn to your right slightly if you can rotate. What's that sticking up? Can you see that? Is that just a leaf? It is. Sorry, it was reflecting. I could see almost white reflecting off that. It caught my eye. I was like, wow.
That's just 2 bait we found already.
I was going to say, prepare to see me freak out. This is unreal. I cannot believe. I mean, it's 4K, but damn. Look at how steep that drop is.
These two, yeah.
Oh boy, I hope I didn't get in over my head as far as where this went down, but... Don't know if you can see that, folks, but there's the drone under the surface over there. Oh man, my heart started racing when I saw that white, something gray in the distance sticking out of them. I'm like, oh, it's just a leaf with the sun hitting it. I'm like, watching this screen is like something off of a David Attenborough friggin' special. It'd be cool to see a honking lake trout swim by. Wow, look at the slant on that drop, eh? That is extreme. Not impossible, we might spot something else too random. Big chunk of petrified wood there. That is wild. So the little graphic on the bottom is showing you the real-time orientation of your, that is incredible. Oh no, you can see the little graphic.
So if I turn, there I am.
Way out on the other side there now. And come back across the bay, take another quick sweep, another scan. Yeah, you're on a really good track right now to potentially see something. Wow. Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah. I see that. What is that? It does look like a piece of clothing or something. Yeah. Oh, I see it. So I can only go so far. What is that? The space egg? It's a frisbee. Or is it a ice fishing scoop? Oh, that's friggin' awesome. You up for a challenge?
Yeah.
Yeah, the scale of that scoop looked a lot. It looked bigger than it was. Oh, that's so cool. The claw! Oh, it's so wild that you can see the sun piercing down from the surface. Just... Whoa! It looks like something out of like some kind of space, man. That is unreal. Just wild. That was a hell of an effort, man. I can't believe how much of this bay that you've covered already. Just wild. Alrighty, well, we had a shot at that, as you saw. We're packing up the drone for the day today, but I don't think this story is over, people, because there's one other option, and I think that might be happening this spring or a little bit later this summer when things warm up a bit. So it's in there somewhere. Today, we're turning the page. So thanks for checking it out. Thanks again, Carlos, for helping me out today. And subscribe if you had fun today. Anyways, until the next video, have a great day or evening.
I are beautiful.